I like to put some of the spring onions in here now, because we've got some in here, we've got some in the noodles. Then we're gonna mix it up. While that's cooking on there, you can see these are how the noodles are at the back. Then just to finish it off, got some what I call lassa slide, which is being made. Okay guys, Mine Bouillie La Viande. Now let me know what you think. Okay, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we're going to do Mine Bouillie La Viande. I've already got a video up online, but we're just going to do one that's a lot easier to follow and a lot quicker for everyone. Now starting off, I've got a pan here, about 1.5 tablespoons of all vegetable oils. Okay, while that's heating up on the fire, I've got a pot of water here. It's coming to the boil. Sprinkle some salt in there. In that we're going to put the noodles. So now with the Mine Bouillie La Viande, we've got 1 onion which is chopped. We've got 3 garlics which has been chopped as well. So I'm using these noodles. I'm going to pop 1, 2, 3, 4 of these in. I'm going to put a handful of the spring onions in here. I do like to cook some of it with the liquid. I'm going to put some black pepper in here. Now with black pepper you want about, I'd recommend half to 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Then what we're going to do, we're going to put the sugar in now, then the soy sauce. And we're going to put the oyster sauce in. Now, what I like to do, I like to put some of the spring onions in here now, because we've got some in here, we've got some in the noodles. Then we're gonna mix it up. While that's cooking on there, you can see these are how the noodles are at the back. Should take 3 to 4 minutes, guys, for your noodles to be ready. Then a little grind of salt. Then we're going to take some liquid from there. Seen a couple of people ask how this sauce is made, or what do I put in it. I had a few DMs as well on Instagram, so I thought I'll show some people as well. So that's what you got liquid wise there. So this is averagely what you want, just a little bit of liquid in your bowl. So yeah, now we're just coming to serving, guys. So just to finish it off, got some what I call lassa slide, which is being made in the food processor. It's one of the garlic flavored sauce. I love this. Got the hot green Mauritian chilli there. The recipe for this should already be online. Probably leave a link or leave it at the end of the video, guys. Okay guys, Mine Bouillie La Viande.